We enjoy giving our guests a 5-star experience when they come to Villa Oceano.
We are literally 12 minutes from the airport. We've got a beautiful beach which is literally over the road to us, and it's a little cove, so it's really pretty.
There's plenty for kids to do. We're just 5 minutes from the local high street, and if you want a quiet, peaceful time, then this is the place to be.
Although we have 300 days of sunshine here in CALETA, our pool is heated. You can cater for prams, for wheelchairs.
We're very wheelchair friendly here.
On your arrival, we'll be welcoming you to open the door for you and show you around our lovely, beautiful home.
We feel it's the little touches, the attention to detail, that makes the difference.
We greet you personally. We live just down the road, so we're always available for you.
And every time a guest returns, we always ask, how is it this time? Because if we can improve on anything, we will.
We get an immense amount of satisfaction from running the villa. It's people save all year and work very hard for their holidays, and we very much enjoy the fact that we are taking an active part in their holiday and their vacation. It's very important to us. We quite like the fact that people come here effectively as strangers, but often leave as friends.
They leave as friends.
And that's a wonderful thing. We've made so many friends from it. It's an added bonus of the work that we do.